Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got a quickie for you. This is a Zenith Model G-1701 from Jeff's collection. It's a 5-tube AM radio, about a 1961 vintage. You got it off of the Facebook Marketplace for $65. And it works pretty good. Now, one thing, this is the on-off volume. This is the tuning knob. That's it. It's AC only. And it's tube, so we have to wait for the tubes to wake up. And it's in pristine condition. No cracks or anything. I remember having one similar to this when I was a kid, except it had a big crack in it. Here we go. Plenty of volume. Now, since it's AM, it's directional because the antenna is built in. And where I'm at, where the antenna wants to be oriented is this way. So I have to turn it away from the camera, and then you can hear the sound better. There you go. So I'll tune it while it's sitting there. Of course, I'm in my office and I got a lot of electronics running. And it's fighting with it. You can hear that interference. Very smooth tuning. That's it. Top of the band. Show you the back here real quick. Made by Zenith. Like I say, about 1961 vintage. Big speaker there. Perfect condition. No cracks or scratches or anything. It's just that it doesn't like to work in my office. Like most AM radios, they don't like my office because my office is full of electronics. That's it. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios, and have a great day. Bye-bye.